So using Farm Maps by Herdwatch, you can very quickly and very easily create your paddocks, as we said earlier. So I'm just going to show you how quick and easy that is to do. So on your home screen, you just click into the grass and crops area, and very same as you would have created a paddock before, you start by clicking on your orange plus button and paddock. This brings you straight into the mapping area of the app, and from here then this is picked up by your location. You can just start selecting your paddock. So to do that, you select this little icon, your picker up in the top right hand corner, and just start drawing out your paddock. So each time you click on the screen, it creates a new little touch point that allows you to create your paddock, and you just select finish when you have it done. Now if you want to edit it before you actually save it, you can just click on your edit icon, and you can move your little icons here, which is going to allow you to get much more accurate detail around your paddock. Click save again. Straight away I'm told how big this paddock is in hectares and acres, and then when I'm happy I can select next. We can color code our paddock based on maybe what way the paddock is being used for grazing or for silage or for any sort of crops. You can give your paddock your name, so this one is beside the house. It tells me my area, 5.28 hectares, and you can also select if there's any sort of crop in it. So everything is in here, and you can scroll down along until you're happy enough. You can just pick your grassland established and save. I can very quickly click on the map then to see my paddock.